Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about hashing. First we'll try to understand what is hashing and then we'll see one demo. In this example I'm passing ABC 1 to 3 as an input to the hash and it's generating some hash value. For the demo I have just given some random numbers and character. And beauty of this hash is that this is one way or one directional. That means if I'll pass the same input, I'll get the same hash value. However, looking into the output hash, I cannot predict what is the input. Now what is the use case of hash? And here we are going to talk about two use cases. First is to store the password. Now instead of storing the plain text as a password in database, I can generate its hash value and then store into database. So if people see my hash value, they will not able to figure out what is the actual password, right? And second is to check the integrity of a file. So before, let's say I'm transferring one file to you, before that I will create a checksum of that file content and then I will share the file and its checksum value. Now when you receive the file, again you regenerate the checksum. And if both the checksums are same, that means content of that file is same. Otherwise, if checksums are different, that means somebody has tampered that file, right? Now let's see a few hash functions. So we have MD5, which use for file checksum, and we have SHA family where we have SHA-1, 2 and 3. Now in this demo, we are going to check MD5 and SHA-3. In this demo, I have written one function to calculate the hash value, and first we'll start with MD5. And here I'm reading the file and then updating the checksum or the hash value, and finally I'm returning the hash digest. Here I'm passing one input file to this function. Let's check the input file, and these are the content in this file. Now after calculating the hash value, we are going to print the hash value here. Now let's run this code, and here you can see we have this hash value. Now if I'll rerun it, because I'm not modifying the content, it will be same. Now let's now check for SHA-3. So here I'm just going to change the comment to SHA-3, and in this hash library we have to find out SHA-3. So here we have all these options. I will take SHA-3 256, save this code, and let's re-execute. And this time we are getting the SHA-3 hash value here. If I'll rerun it, as long as content is same, I'll get the same hash value. Now let's do one thing. We are going to open the file, and now let's modify. I'm going to add one new character here. Just one character I'm changing. Going back to the command line, and let's rerun it. And this time you can see this hash value is totally different, right? So this way we can check the integrity of the file. Thank you for watching.